From your perspective, as you develop this product and you're rolling it out to fleets and you're rolling it out to repair shops, what impact are you anticipating it going to have on the actual training process with technicians?
Yeah, so that's a great question. When we develop this product and all the products that we develop, our mission is to make the roadways safer. And part of the way that we're doing this with the Auto-Torq is we tried to design a product that would take a lot of the human error element out of the equation. There's been a large influx of new technicians into the market of various skill levels, and the beauty of this product is there's no specific sequence or complex sequence that is required to achieve a reliable, easy installation every time. So in terms of how it helps a fleet or a shop, as long as your technician has a breaker bar and a socket, they can listen for an audible click, and the sequence is done.